Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing ambot tik, which is a Goan fish curry. Ambot means sour and tangy, and tik means hot and spicy. The ambot tik is made with fish that has less bones, such as salmon, kitefish, baby shark, and catfish. It's a yummy, tasty recipe made in every Goan home. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the marinating the fish. Ingredients for the masala paste. And lastly, the ingredients for the curry. Method. Marinating the fish. So add the salt and the turmeric powder to the fish pieces. Mix well, then set aside to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Grinding the masala paste. So add all the masala paste ingredients into a grinding jar. That's the Kashmiri Chillies, cinnamon stick, ginger, tamarind, Cumin Seeds, garlic, peppercorns, cloves, onion and turmeric powder. Now add a little water and grind into a fine paste. Moving on to frying the fish. This is an optional step and you can leave it out if you wish to. So heat oil in the frying pan, then drop in the marinated fish pieces and shallow fry on medium heat. Turn the pieces over after a couple of minutes and continue to fry. When the fish is well fried, remove and drain on a kitchen towel. Moving on to preparing the ambot tik curry now. So heat oil in the wok, drop in the curry leaves and fry. Then drop in the onions and fry until it turns light brown. Next, drop in the freshly chopped tomatoes. Make sure it's skinned before, and then fry until the tomatoes are mushy and all the water evaporates. Now drop in the ground masala paste that we ground earlier and fry well for several minutes until all the water evaporates. Add hot water and the masala paste water, that's the water that was used to rinse the grinding jar. Note, add required amount of water to adjust the consistency of the curry to your liking. Then mix and bring to boil. Add in the sugar, salt, Kokum Peels and the Schewan Pepper, also known as Tepal. Mix and continue to cook. Finally, drop in the fried fish pieces and bring to boil. Note, the Goan ambot tik curry must be sour and spicy, so this is a good time to taste the curry and add green chilies, salt, sugar and vinegar to adjust the taste of the curry to your liking. Then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes or until done. Finally, serve with plain rice, onion and tomato salad, or with any other accompaniment of your choice. And there you have it, some delicious ambot tik, which is a sour and tangy, hot and spicy Goan fish curry. Thank you for stopping by. Do give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy! Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other fish recipes that you'd like to try out. Be sure to click on the video link on the screen right now and watch another video.